Programming your boards. We've written the code, we've compiled it, everything is working fine. We've checked with functional simulation, we're quite happy. You can do timing simulation as well to see the difference. And we've seen the RTL. What is left is to program the boards. Worth noting that these inputs and outputs, we have to select the pins to connect to the boards. If you are not using SW or LEDR, you need to do your pin assignments on here if you go to assignment editor. But we'll do something slightly different for now. So we have so if you scroll through the user manual, you should see the pin assignments, or you can just search for pin assignments if you want. So we want to see which in the clock, using anything other than clock 50 for this particular clock. You need to select pin AF14 for it. So if we go back to our Quartus 2, the design, on here we can go to assignments, import assignments, browse for where you have your assignment file. Mine is on the desktop and I've got two on there, but I'll choose this one. The assignment file is the .qsf file. Double click that. Okay, so that's loaded our assignment for us. Best to run the simulation again. I'll leave it to run for some time. Right, so it's finished compiling without any errors. To program the boards, go to Tools, then you look for Programmer. We already have the driver loaded, so you click Auto Detect, select the board as the chip, that's 5C SIMA 5. Click OK, select the particular FPGA, right click, change file. You're looking for the output file. It's not shown on here, but it's actually in the output files folder. Double click the .sof file. Make sure this is selected and you click Start. That completes the full cycle of your FPGA programming. The board is programmed now and working fine.